That's his girlfriend. In his mind, Kamala Harris is his girlfriend. Ain't it, babe? Don't you say that to me all the time?
Yeah, I'm a cat in.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I order them. Mama.
Morning, people. Welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. So, guys, today is Sunday. It's early morning. Not too long. Woken up. We have no plans today. I think today is just going to be a chill day. I'm going to stay at home, cook. My peas are on already boiling, so you know what that means. And that's it. It's Outlaw's day off on a Sunday, so that's nice. He's at home. And Sunday mornings is nice because Outlaw usually makes breakfast for us on a Sunday, so he usually chefs up something. So I don't know what he's chefing up this morning, but we'll see. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Outlaw's just come back. He just popped out to do something real quick, and then he's coming back home. Pulling up at the door, or pulling up in the driveway. You see him there. He's parked right in front of the tree, so you can't really see him. See him there, people. Just coming off the road, sorting out some business real quick. What's up?
Another prayers.
So I was just saying to the people, babes, this morning that Sunday, today we're just chilling, chill day. But I said I like Sundays because one, you don't work, so you're at home with the family. But two, you cook breakfast on a Sunday. So I said, I don't know what you're going to chef up today, but yeah, looking forward to it.
Roast breadfruit. I feel like them cute.
What? You hear that, people? Roast breadfruit.
Not mute.
Alright. So these are the two breadfruits that babe said he's going to be roasting. So this is before. Getting all the wood ready and all the stuff ready for the fire for the breadfruit. So what you doing?
Cutting out the stem.
Oh.
I put an X in the back of that. So if the steam go through it easier for roast when you do this. Easier for roast. If I got it, just go through. Easy for roast. Real yellow heart breadfruit. Real yellow heart breadfruit.
So that, people, real yellow heart.
Straight.
So he's turning them now.
Fruit, you mean? That, me say, manners and prayers.
We'll pick up shortly. We've got, what have we got in there? Tomato, onion, green pepper, sweet pepper, chopped on it, hot pepper. Fruit in the pot. Yeah. You're not cooking. Malachi there, just wait.
Morning, people.
And then, what time is it? After 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not teenagers, you know how their thing goes. It's raining now, people. It's raining, so you have to go and take up the breadfruit then.
Let me mat, please.
The mop?
The mat.
Oh, the mat. Yeah. Look there, people. You can see the steam coming out of it. What did you say?
Hot, no blow. Real hot.
So guys, here's mine. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to eat all of this, but I'm going to try. It's good. So good. So we have some sliced fish today. Just going to decide what I'm going to do with it, how I'm going to prepare it. Guys, what do you think? How should I prepare the sliced fish? Here's the ice cream man.
Hi everybody! Do you know what time it is? Yeah! It's ice cream time!
What flavour? What flavour?
So there's cookie and cream, grape nut, pistachio.
Cookies and cream. Yeah. And whatever you want, yeah?
Yeah.
Cookie and cream. That like cream. Ice cream, ice cream, icy, icy, ice cream. Ice cream. Use cream. Ice cream. Use cream. Sugar chip.
Hello? Yeah. You got cookies and cream. Let your daddy see.
I want to see if we can make this work. Here's
From
one
Jamaica.
for the next day.
Yeah.
From Jamaica.
How did you feel about
She's half Jamaican and she wasn't born in Jamaica.
Me have the picture with Shane and grandmother.
Yeah?
Yeah. A photo of Shane and
Oh,
grandmother.
and plus they come from your district,
Yeah,
Brownstown.
you mean? I feel like.
So yes,
Yeah, run with it.
so her dad's Jamaican and her dad comes from Brownstown.
Yes.
And where do you come from?
Brownstown, not easy.
So
Brownstown.
you and her is like similar age group, so you don't know her.
No, she never lives in Jamaica.
Oh yes, she never know.
She does visit, come and look
I mean
for
her
her
family, I should say. Do you know her family then?
Yeah, I know her grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know her grandmother.
Oh.
Yeah.
And she came along, it just seemed like, what are we waiting?
Good granny.
Meet the kids and let's just get on with
What
our
you
lives.
talking about,
She
man?
put the brakes on.
Sorry. Boss, I know. In America.
Divorced when I was young.
White House, you said.
I know what it's like to be
I want to change the color.
a kid of divorced parents and your
What, to
parents
red, gold, and
are
green?
with people, and I did not
Have to be
want
Rasta.
to bond with the kids.
So what? Green, yellow, and black. That's what he's watching, people. That's his girlfriend.
Part of Jamaica. She's a part of
That
Jamaica.
is his second girlfriend. He openly says it to me like, yeah, that's his girlfriend. In his mind, Kamala Harris is his girlfriend. Innit, babe?
Know each other.
Don't you say that to me all the time?
Yeah, I'm the cat in.
What? People, you heard it from his mouth. You heard it from the horse's mouth.
Cat in from Jamaica.
For the next 4 months.
Has changed.
You try to change, you try to cut me off of the cat.
Army of Secret Service and support staff.
People, see his Cathy there, his girlfriend.
Impossible to ignore.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you and your girlfriend alone. Because two's company and three's a crowd.
So,
And it looked like I'm not part of
yeah?
this gathering right now.
I want you to head of it.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.